Hey there, welcome to my channel, Messing with Michelle. So today's video, I'm sharing with you products that I purchased from Dollarama for cleaning. So all the products that I'm sharing in this video, I bought them at the dollar store for a very affordable price. Every single time I go to the dollar store, it always piques my interest, some of the products that I see. So I finally purchased them to test them out for myself. So the products range from cleaning the floors to dusting to cleaning dishes. And before we jump in, if you are new here, welcome. My name's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, I'd love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button because I post cleaning motivation, how-to videos, as well as DIYs on this channel. So let's jump in and see what I purchased from the dollar store and how well these products work. The first product that I'm using is for the floors. It's by Jevex and it's the Dusting Mop Pad. This is a microfiber pad to clean your hardwood floors or your tiles. So this is just an overview of what my floors currently look like. This is the front hallway and this area collects a lot of fur from the dogs as well as dust. So I'm going to see how well this dusting pad works on my floors to see if it actually can get rid of all this dust and fur. This pad is made of microfiber, and in my opinion, you cannot have enough microfiber around the house. Microfiber is known to pick up dust and debris really well, so I was really excited to get this product for a very affordable price from the dollar store. Another reason why I love microfiber is because you can use it over and over again. It's washable, so this dusting pad can be washed after I'm finished using it. The other great thing about this product, it's universal, so it can fit a variety of different mop heads, even Swiffer. So I'm going to be using my Swiffer duster to use my dusting pad. And you could see that it was a little bit of a hard time to get on the pad, but after I was able to get it on, it fit securely and it was a good size and it fit the head of the Swiffer really well. The dusting mop is $2 and I think that's a great price for microfiber. My first impressions, it feels really durable, very thick, and it didn't feel very flimsy when I took it out of the packaging. After a few swipes along the floor with the dusting pad, here is what I picked up with the mop head, and you can see there's quite a bit of hair stuck to the bottom of the pad, which is great. Here's a shot of the dusting pad now that I cleaned the entire hallway, and it picked up quite a bit of dust as well as fur. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a shake just to see if the hairs will fall off, because with microfiber it does have electrostatic charge that helps clean the hair and debris stuck to the bottom. Some of the hair did fall off onto the floor, so I just collected it into a small pile and then vacuumed it up with a handheld vacuum. But overall, the microfiber pad performed very well. You can see the after, there's quite a bit of improvement, and even though a little bit of fur fell off the dusting mop, I think this is a great tool to have for when you need to clean your tiles or hardwood floors. The next product that I'm going to be using is also for the floor, and this is Static-Matic's wet wipes. There's 15 cloths inside the package, and these are all disposable, so they're pretty much one-time use, and the package for 15 cloths was $1.25. Static-Matic wipes are also used for different mop heads. On the packaging, it's used for Static, Swiffer, as well as Pledge Grab It, so it's compatible with those products. So I will be using my Swiffer mop once again for this demonstration. Based on first impressions, the size is true to fit for a Swiffer. I found that the product fit really well. It wasn't too long, it wasn't too short. It fit very nicely on the bottom of my Swiffer mop head. But moving on to the moisture levels, it was not very wet at all. It was barely moist. I didn't really feel a lot of wetness to the entire packaging. And also, it was very thin, the product. It was almost like the same size or maybe just a bit thicker of the hand wipes that you use at restaurants. So I thought I'd give this product another shot and just switch out my pad just to see if maybe that first pad was just a bit drier, being that it was on the top. But after a few tries, this product was just failing really fast with cleaning the floors. The more I used it, the more that it dried out. The first few swipes were fine, but then as you can see as I'm moving on, there's pretty much no moisture on the floor. So if I were to use this product to try to clean my entire hallway, I'd probably have to use the entire package, if not more. In my opinion, this product is not the best to clean large areas, but if you wanted to have this product to clean up quick spills, I think it would do the trick because it cleaned this coffee stain with ease, so it was quick and convenient and good for small spills. Now I'm going to be moving on to dusting, and I'm going to use another Static-Matic product, and this is their disposable dusters. In the package, you'll receive 2 dusters plus 1 plastic handle, and this is their new and improved version of their duster. Now, I have used this product off camera when I was cleaning around the house, and I misplaced the handle, so I'm not going to be able to show that in this video, but this is going to be based on the performance of the duster. But if you are looking to buy this product, there is 1 handle included with your 2 dusters. With my first impressions, it's a good size, the duster, and it's extremely fluffy. I'm going to be testing this product on my staircase, and this is the reason why I bought the dusters, to get into these small nooks and crannies where the vacuum has a hard time reaching. Here's a close-up of the duster after cleaning part of my staircase, and you can see that there's dust and debris stuck into the fluffy fibers. I wanted to give this duster a bit of a shake to see how well it was clinging on the dust and debris. There was a bit of fallout and it was raining a bit of fur onto the floor, but if you're not going to shake your duster everywhere like I did, it picked up the dust really well. As you can see here on my staircase, it looks pretty good, and I think this is a great product to have around the house. It's affordable for light dusting. The next product I'm using is also used for dusting, but also a variety of different purposes. These are the Handy Pockets multi-purpose cleaning cloth. They're made out of microfiber. The unique part about this product is that you can slide your hand into the pouch, and that allows you to have better control and cleans faster. It also advertises as it won't bunch up, gets into corners, and is two-sided. And it can be used for a variety of different purposes. You can use this cloth on mirrors and glass, multi-surface, dusting and polishing, and stainless steel. This product is also reusable and is machine washable. So here's the after using the Handy Pocket on top of my TV stand, and it actually did a really good job. I wasn't too sure what to expect, but it picked up the dust with ease. I was able to clean my entire TV console with it, so very good product in my eyes. I haven't washed it, so I'm not too sure in terms of washing, but so far, picking up dust, I think that it did a really awesome job. Since the Handy Pockets are multi-purpose, I want to run through a few more tests in the bathroom using the same product, but also using it not only on dry dust, but using it to wipe down with a bit of vinegar and water in the bathroom to see how well this product performs. I used the Handy Pocket on my mirror and it did a really great job. It had a nice streak-free shine afterwards. So if you are looking for a handy product and you are looking for microfiber to use for cleaning, definitely something to check out that is really affordable, and I find that it was pretty effective. I'm moving into the kitchen and I picked up sponge balls. These are 3 little balls that are made of silicone with a little tiny weight inside, and they're intended to be used to clean inside of water bottles and wine decanters and just smaller spaced bottles that's not really convenient to clean. I wanted to perform a test on something dirty, so my coffee pot was available, so I wanted to see how well these sponge balls worked inside this type of container. So the product is really easy to use. All you have to do is fill your container with water, then you're going to drop the balls into the container. And as I mentioned, there is a weight in each ball, so they don't float, they actually sink to the bottom. And once you have your sponge balls in your container, you just have to put in a pump of soap. And then the next step is to shake, 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 swirl, 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 and let the balls clean the inside of your container. The coffee pot did turn out clean. I felt that the balls were always weighted to the bottom, so it was really hard to get the sponge balls to clean the sides of the coffee pot, but overall it was clean. I felt like the sponge balls did help agitate the soap to make the soap a little bit more sudsy. I'm just showing you a quick demonstration inside of a water bottle how the sponge balls are working inside of the bottle as you shake them around. It's hard to tell if this actually works because I didn't have like a super dirty bottle, but it's worth a try. It's really cost effective from the dollar store, so I can see if you have maybe a smoothie or protein shake in a bottle, you can test it out for yourself and maybe it will clean the edges a bit better. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried this and if you found that this product was effective. The next product I had to test out just by the name alone. This is called a magic wipe, and this is advertised to be an ecological way to clean. This cloth can be used without the use of any soaps and can replace paper towels. The cloth is actually really thick and it's made of 8 layers of rayon fibers, and it's washable, absorbent, and long lasting, and has a variety of different uses such as cleaning dishes, furniture, glass, cars, and just general home use. First impressions, the product is actually really thick, and when you first take it out of the package it's a bit stiff, but as soon as you run it under warm water it becomes pliable and soft. So I want to use this product as is with no soap, as it's advertised not having to use soap. And this is dried on messes on the plate from food the night before, and it took off the food no problems. It came off with ease without a lot of scrubbing, and you can see that the plate looks really nice and clean. So for this product alone, for $1.25, being eco-friendly, machine washable, and you don't have to use soap, I really like this product and definitely a great find from the dollar store. I've come across this product a few times at the dollar store and had to test it out for myself because I'm always cleaning out water bottles. This is the Javex Flexible Scrub Brush. It's a no scratch bristle on it that uses foam, and it's designed for small neck bottles. One thing about this scrubber is that it actually gives you that squeaky clean vibes with the sound that it makes as you're cleaning out your dishes. The scrubbers worked really well in this drinking glass that had leftover smoothie. As you can see here, the glass is quite clean, so the foam scrubbers were effective, and I do like the fact that you can twist and bend the foam brush. I wanted to try the scrubber in a narrow neck bottle as it's advertised to use for, and I found that the top of the scrubber was a bit too wide to really go inside the bottle with ease, so I did have to kind of push the top of the scrubber inside of the bottle, but once in I was able to use the scrubber effectively inside. I found that the top of the handle was bending a bit as I was cleaning, and this particular bottle was a bit too long, so I wasn't able to get to the bottom of the bottle, but I was able to clean the sides of the bottle effectively. So something that I can use around the house. I've used it a few times in other containers while I was cleaning, and it's just a great find for $2, and it does the job that it's intended for. The next product is by Javex, and it's a rubber scrub brush, and it's probably the most expensive product in this video. It's $3.50. It actually has a variety of different uses. You can use it on your pet hair, pots and pans, a scrubber for your vegetables or bathroom, and it's two-sided with a non-scratch soft bristles. I decided to use the scrubber to clean the inside of my sink, and as I was cleaning, I think it worked okay. It was kind of an awkward shape. It wasn't really flexible, so it was hard to get into the nooks and crannies. I used it inside of my sink, and then I thought this might be a better product to use inside the bathroom, so I just cleaned out my bathtub afterwards. Definitely not going to be using it back in the kitchen, but I think I'll be using this in the bathtub. It's kind of so-so. It was okay. It wasn't great, but if you need a scrubber, it's only $3.50 and it probably would do the job. So there you have it, my review of all the products that I bought from the dollar store. Overall, all the products worked quite well, and they worked as advertised, and they were very cost effective, with the exception of the Static-Matic floor wipes. Unfortunately, those were a flop. They just don't have enough moisture to clean a very large surface space, as you saw earlier in the video. Maybe if you have a small spill and you just have a spot cleaning that you need to do, those might work for you. But everything else I'm really happy with, and let me know down in the comments if you shop at the dollar store for your cleaning supplies, and if you do, I'd love to know what products do you buy and what you use them around the house for. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video when I upload next. Bye!